Hi, this is King of Review. Solve the following inequality. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is less than or equal to negative 3x plus 7. Let's start by getting a 0 on the right-hand side. To do this, we'll need to move the negative 3x and the 7 over to the left. When we do this, we get x squared plus 5x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Now, let's factor the left-hand side. When we factor, we get x minus 1 times x plus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative 6. Now we can plot our parabola. If we have an axis here, here's the x and here's the y-axis. When we solved for x, we got x equals 1 and x equals negative 6. These are the roots, or the zeros, of our parabola. So we know our parabola will cross at 1 and at negative 6. It crosses over the x-axis at these points. Now we could draw our parabola. It will look something like this. Now let's look back at our inequality right here. We have x squared plus 5x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. So we know that this part here, the x squared plus 5x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. That means it must be either 0 or a negative number. So looking at our parabola, what part of the parabola has a y value of 0 or a negative number? It's this section in here. So now we can determine which values of x give a y value of 0 or a negative number. Looking at our parabola, we can see that it's the numbers in between negative 6 and 1 and including negative 6 and 1. So this can be written as negative 6 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 1. Letter B is correct. Thank you for watching.